Good morning, class. Hope you are all fine. Let's start today's class. Again, today I am in the chapter Money. Symbol of money, that means units of money in front of you. All of you know the rupee symbol and some coins are there, that is in paise. Though paise is not available in the market now, but earlier days there was paise also. These are the coins. Now come to today's topic. Today we will solve few more story sums on this topic, money. Now let's start what is on our screen. Question is, Rahul buys a pen cost 24 rupees and a notebook cost 45 rupees. How much does Rahul spend in all? So you can see Rahul buy a pen and a notebook. Price is given over here. Cost of the pen is rupees 24, you can see, and cost of the notebook is 45. So what's the question? How much does Rahul spend in all? In all, you know this word in all. So 45 rupees on this notebook and 24 rupees on this pen Rahul spent. So how will write the answer? Let's see how we can write the answer. So let's start. Cost of the pen is 24 rupees and cost of the notebook is 45 rupees. So, total cost of two items is 24 plus 45. So, how much it is? 5 plus 4. If you do 5 plus 4, it is how much? It will be, let's see how much it will be. It is actually 69. 5 plus 4 is 9 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So finally, how much Rahul spent? Rahul spent 69 rupees on these two items. Okay, very easy. Let's come to the next question. Okay, look at the question on your screen. Rahul had a 100 rupees note. So Rahul had 100 rupees note and he spent 69 rupees on pen and notebook. That we solved just few minutes before. And how much money was left with him now? Rahul had 100 rupees note. You can see 100 rupees note. Rahul's mother gave him 100 rupees note and he spent 69 rupees on pen and notebook. You know, pen and notebook was there. On that pen and notebook, Rahul spent 69 rupees. So, how much money was left with him now? That we have to find out. So let's start. How to write the question answer? Rahul had 100 rupees note at the beginning and he spent 69 on pen and notebook. So how much left with him now? Left. So left means what to do? Left means, yes, it is subtraction. So let's do this subtraction carefully. 100 rupees at the beginning Rahul had and 69 rupees he spent. So if you do subtraction, so you can see 100 minus 69. So 100 minus 69. Here 9 you will subtract from this 0. Is it possible? No. So what to do? We have to borrow 1. We'll do borrow 1 from whom? We'll borrow 1 from this next to number. Next to number is 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9 now. So 10 will be 9 now and this 0 will be 10 now. So now let's try to do subtraction. 9 subtract from this 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1 and 9 subtract, here is 9, so 6 subtract from this 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So finally, how much Rahul left? Rahul, 31 rupees was left with Rahul now. So 31 to 3 10 rupees note, that means 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 1 coin, that is 1 rupees coin. So finally how much he got? He got 31 rupees finally. Okay? I hope you enjoyed. So everyone, stay healthy and thank you for today.